Welcome back to the magical world of Symfony Commands series. We've crafted a powerful command to generate a full entity CRUD, features entities, repositories, and even embedded translations with SQL filters and listeners, controllers for form types and twig templates. The journey has brought us here, with additional behind-the-scenes coding since our last episode. From crafting traits functions to meticulously designing twig templates, we've paved the way for efficiency in our development process. It's been a journey of mastery, transforming repetitive work into a seamless path to where we stand today. We just continued with the same coding we recorded in the series. In this simulation test run, we ventured into the heart of our command-based creation process. Our goal: to minimize time and effort through this minimum viable product launch. While there's more magic to be added in the future, we've achieved a fantastic milestone. Here's a breakdown of our enchanted simulation test run journey. We started by installing Symfony for Apache, a vital foundation spell. Then, we conjured Webpack Encore, a powerful enchantment for handling assets. With precision, we summoned essential Webpack dependencies. The data fixtures spell was cast, populating out realm with the initial future data. Configuration asset was a breeze as we copied asset files with ease. Our translation scrolls were unrolled, making multiple languages comprehensible. The command files were copied, ready to wield their power. Our grand adventure began with the company's tables. We expanded our dominion to the region tables. A one-to-many relationship was forged for the company's tables. We grafted additional field and redefined twig configurations for the companies. The region tables continued to flourish. We summoned a series of location tables, each unique in its essence. Our journey reached a crescendo as we extended the location tables with additional fields, shaping the magical realm. As we continue to refine and enhance our magical command series. Stay tuned for more wizardry and wonderment. The power of Symfony at our fingertips, and together, will unlock its full potential. Now brace yourself for the grand spectacle of this Symfony Command simulation test run. Get ready to immerse yourself in the enchanting world of coding. Sit back, relax, and savor every moment of this episode. Let the magic of Symfony Command series take you on an extraordinary